In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to get started with Royaltie, the first all-in-one marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence. Just click on Start for Free and tell us a bit about your business. The name of your business, choose your industry and subcategory, and describe your business. Choose your font and brand color, and create your marketing campaign. We're now building your website, selecting your search keywords, designing your email newsletter, setting up your blog and analytics, building your social marketing, and now your marketing is done. You can choose how you'd like to get started. You can start your free trial or skip the free trial and create your account. Put in your email, and phone number, address, choose your language, create your account password, and choose how you'd like to pay, credit card or PayPal. Your month and year, CVV, and accept and start marketing. Now your account is being created. This may take a few minutes, but you'll be dropped right into social marketing. Now your account setup is done. Your AI-powered marketing campaign is ready. And you could see our first suggested post. You can choose to post the suggested post. And I'm going to choose to post this on Facebook and click on share. I can describe this article here in my post. And then click on post to Facebook. We're going to check Facebook to make sure that it posted. And you can see that article posted right here. Now that that article is posted, I'm going to go back into our account and answer the question, have you succeeded with publishing your post? Yes, your social marketing is done. Great. Would you like to add this content to your website's blog? Yes, your blog is now done. Would you like to email this content to your followers? Yes. Your email is now done. And you have succeeded in creating an AI marketing campaign. You can check your landing pages here, and you can view that landing page by clicking on it. And you can see the blog right here as well. Go back into your account. You can also see your email campaigns. And if you want to view the template, click on Edit and Edit Newsletter Template, and you can find it right here. And this is how to get started with Royaltie, the first marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence.